Picture this: golden, crispy bites of heaven filled with luscious cream and dusted with powdered sugar. That's right, today we're making cream puffs. For this culinary delight, you'll need water, unsalted butter, all-purpose flour, a couple of large eggs, a splash of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and your choice of whipped cream or pastry cream for filling. If you're feeling fancy, some powdered sugar for dusting will add the perfect finishing touch. Sounds delicious, right? Well, keep watching to see how you can create this masterpiece in your kitchen. Now, let's dive into the recipe. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This creates the perfect non-stick surface for our cream puffs. Next, we're going to bring together a half cup of water and a quarter cup of unsalted butter in a saucepan. Set your stove to medium heat and watch as the water and butter start to boil. This is where the magic begins. Once the contents of the saucepan are bubbling away, add half a cup of all-purpose flour and a pinch of salt all at once. Stir it up until a smooth ball forms. Take the saucepan off the heat and let it stand for about 5 minutes. This brief rest allows the dough to cool down before we add the eggs. Now it's time for the eggs. Add them one at a time, beating well after each addition. Keep going until the mixture is smooth and shiny. This glossy dough is the base of our cream puffs. Next, we'll drop the dough by rounded tablespoonfuls, making sure they're about 2 inches apart on the prepared baking sheets. Bake these for 15 to 20 minutes or until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Once they're out of the oven, remove them to wire racks. Immediately split the puffs open, remove the tops and set aside. Discard any soft dough from inside and let the puffs cool. And there you have it, the making of a cream puff. Now comes the best part, filling these puffs with cream. The moment we've all been waiting for, the piece de resistance, the final touch to our delightful cream puffs. First, you'll want to take your whipped or pastry cream, whatever you fancy. You can use a pastry bag or a zip-top bag with a corner snipped off. Gently fill each puff with the cream, ensuring it's packed but not overflowing. Remember, it's all about balance. Next, replace the tops. They should fit snugly back onto their cream-filled counterparts, creating the perfect little package of sweetness. And for those of you with a penchant for a little extra indulgence, here's where the powdered sugar comes in. It's entirely optional, but highly recommended. Just a light dusting over the top of each puff will do. The sugar adds a hint of extra sweetness and a touch of elegance. And there you have it, delicious cream puffs ready to be enjoyed. Congratulations, you've just made scrumptious cream puffs. Baking is an art, and you've just painted a delectable masterpiece. These creamy, light and fluffy puffs are a testament to your culinary prowess. The joy of creating something so delicious from scratch is truly unparalleled, isn't it? Now imagine the delight on the faces of your friends and family when you share these homemade treats with them. The reactions alone are worth the effort, wouldn't you agree? And hey, why not take it a step further? Share your creation with the world. Let your cream puffs be an inspiration to budding home cooks everywhere. Social media is a fantastic platform for spreading culinary joy. So go ahead, click a picture of your masterpiece and share it with the world. Show them what you've got. Don't forget to tag me if you share your creation on social media. Enjoy your delicious cream puffs. #easy cream puffs, #crispy choux, #choux, #homemade dessert.